Hello lovers of Easy Fashion, welcome to another episode of Everything Hair. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to get rid of this glue. So first we're going to go in with our glue remover, which is our first method we're going to do. So you just want to apply your glue remover generously on the area where you have your glue, and you're going to let this sit for some time. So like I said, generously apply on all the areas where you have your glue. Be generous with it, guys. I know things are expensive, but if you need a clean job done, you have to be generous with it. So after letting it sit for some time, we are going to go in with our cotton and we are going to just clean it out. So when you do this, you are going to notice that it's not going to stress you a lot. It's just going to slide right down. So the secret is to let it sit for some time. And I apologize for my camera angle, guys. I really apologize about that. I went out of frame. So here's what it's looking like. So now we are going to the second method. The second method you can get rid of glue from your lace frontal is by dipping your towel, any towel you have, in warm water. And you're just going to use that towel to clean it out. And as you can see, the glue is going to come out. Once again, I apologize for my camera angle, guys. I don't know what was happening. So yeah. So I'm just trying to show you the two different techniques I used and the difference you can see in the cleanliness of the lace frontal. So you can use any of these two methods and you're going to have the same results. But obviously, but obviously there's always going to be a method that works best for some people and it doesn't quite work for others. I don't know if this has to do with the type of lace or maybe the type of glue you're using, the type of product you're using, but it just depends on you. So you're just going to try out these methods and see which one works for you. So before going into the last method, I'm just going to show you once more time how easy it is to get rid of glue. Like as you can see, it's literally coming off. It's just warm water and any towel of your choice. So there you have it. So like I said, guys, you can always try out the both methods to see which of them works best for you, and whichever method works best for you, it's advisable you stick to it. Yeah, so for some people the glue remover is going to work for them, but if you do not have glue remover, this is a great alternative. So guys, our last method is going to be a shampoo with any brush of your choice. I normally use a toothbrush. I have a toothbrush specifically used for my lace. So you're going to apply your shampoo on the lace, or you could also put your shampoo in warm water. So option one, either you apply your shampoo on the lace and you use a brush to gently scrub the glue out, or you put your shampoo in a bowl of warm water and you use that same towel we use as a second option to clean the glue out, and it's still going to work for you. So since I was trying to show different methods, I decided to go with a brush. So I'm going to speed this up so I don't waste a lot of your time. So you're just going to gently clean this. Just focus on the areas where you have your glue. And here is what it's looking like. So I'm glad if you found this video helpful. Please like and subscribe, and make sure you turn on notification because I'm going to be posting a part 2 of this video, which is how to tint your lace. So after washing it, you can notice that it has a different color. So you have to tint your lace to get a natural looking color, and we are going to get into that in a part 2. So stay tuned, guys. Bye bye.